Hey, birthday boy.
Right.
The flash is on it? All the time? Oh yeah, it's like a flashlight up in here. Oh no. Here's your gift. I wrapped it up for you. In some clothes where I hid it. You might need a knife or something. Hey, Drum.
What?
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
I like your shirt.
Thanks.
Do you think you'll be able to open that? You need a knife or something? I can get you something. Okay.
A Nexus?
Yeah. Day 7 is a Nexus 7.
You are ridiculous.
Why ridiculous?
You're crazy.
What's so crazy about it?
Cheeto.
You don't like it?
I love it. You're still crazy.
Why don't you read the gift note aloud?
I hope you open this and it fills your heart with joy. Happy 30th birthday. I love you so much. Please don't be upset that I bought you an expensive gift. I know we can get a lot of use out of it. Love, Lori. Thank you.
You're welcome. And there's a screen protector. Alright, have a good day.
Thank you.